Good day, sir, madam. I'm Stephanie Anjocos, 23 years of age, from Rosario, Dumangas, Iloilo. I'm single. I graduate at Mr. Visayas College of Science and Technology, taking up Associate in Hotel and Restaurant Technology, 2 years course.
What year did you finish schooling in college? What year is that?
2009.
2009. Okay, that is a 2-year course.
Yes, ma'am.
Then after schooling, what did you do?
I work in Gaisano Capital as a cashier.
For how long? How many
5
years?
months, finish contract.
That's a contractual basis. Then after working as a sales clerk, what did you do?
Food handler at Angelina Bake Shop. Finish contract. 5 months.
How long?
5 months.
5 months also. That is also a contractual.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then after that, so 1 year after schooling, what else?
At Greenwich, Gaisano City, food handler. Service crew.
Service crew. For how long?
5 months.
5 months. So usually contractual basis. How about your housework experience?
Experience, 1 year. Household.
So you work as a housemaid for 1 year. Okay. What are your duties inside the house?
My duties and obligations are do housework such as cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, and dishes.
So how many persons did you serve?
3 adults.
Okay. Any experience taking care of children 1 year old
Yes.
or
ma'am.
below?
Yes.
Whose child is that?
My sister.
You mean niece or nephew?
Uh,
Niece or nephew?
52.
Nephew, okay. So if ever in Hong Kong got small children to take care,
Yes.
like 1 year old or below 1 year old, are you willing?
Yes.
But how old is the child you prefer?
From newborn.
Even from birth? Okay. Maybe with the supervision of the employer. Okay. You mentioned that when you worked before as a maid, you also did cooking for the employer.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
you are preparing only Filipino dishes.
Yes, ma'am.
So how did you learn your cooking? Who taught you how to cook?
My father.
So your father is a good cook. Okay. Can you also follow a recipe book or menu book?
Yes, ma'am.
So, which do you prefer? To take care of children or to cook?
Cook.
Ah. Even a boss, you are also willing. Okay. But remember, you are an all-around housemaid in Hong Kong. Okay. So presently, are you working?
No, ma'am.
You have no work?
No.
Okay, so you mean to say that anytime Hong Kong employer needs you, you can go immediately?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what more, because they're watching you right now, no? What more they can expect from you if ever they will hire you as their house worker?
Industry used to do the work, ma'am. You also the trust with me and give my best to do my obligations.
Okay, so you must be obedient, no? Responsible worker. Of course, hardworking. Finish contract.
Yes, ma'am.
And how long are you planning to work in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Of course, because you need to finish contract. And if given a chance or opportunity to work for more than 2 years,
Yes, ma'am.
you're also willing.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck.
Thank you.